a special video on how you can run adverts on your phone. You don't need to hire any content creator to help you to run advert on your Facebook page. So I'm going directly to my Facebook page. I will show you step by step on how you can run advert easily on your Facebook. So what you need to do is to go to your Facebook. I'm using the Facebook, the blue one. So I'm not using the light. You can use the light one, but I want to use this blue this morning basically for this tutorial. This is my page, and if you're on your profile, you can switch to your page from your profile. Let me go back to my profile and show you how you can switch. So this is how you can switch. You see, this is my normal profile on Facebook, and I'm going to switch back to Facebook. So once you land on your profile on Facebook, this is how you are going to go to your Facebook page. So this is my profile that is loading. I think the network is a little bit slow. So this is my profile on Facebook. So let's say you want to switch to your page. This is what you do. You click on this place, and you are going to switch to your page. So this is my page. I will just switch to my page now. This is my business page. So I will just switch to it, and I will show you how you can run the advert. Before you can run advert, you need to have a content. You need to have a post, maybe a product photo, or a picture, or a content about your product that you want to use to run adverts on your page. So what I'm going to show you now, let me say I have a post I want to use this morning for an advert. Let me say I want to boost this post. So what I will do is just to click on this boost. I will click on this boost. The moment I click on this boost, you can see they are showing me preview of my ad. This is the preview of my advert. You can see sponsor. Once you see sponsor, any post on Facebook you see sponsor, that is to show you that this post is an advert. So now we have not launched it, but the first thing you must consider first is your goal. Your goal on the advert. Did you want the people to contact you? Do you want them to call you? You want them to chat you? Like it is now. If anybody click on this advert, they are going to call me. It's on call now, so I'm going to change it from automatic to get message, because I want them to chat me either on WhatsApp or on Facebook or on Instagram. So this is the first thing you consider when you click on boost. Another thing that you need to consider is your audience. So you need to set your audience, because these are the people that are going to buy your product. You can see if I click on see audience here, I've already set many audience on my page here. You can see digital marketing, you can see furniture, skincare, and all those stuff. So you can create your own. Just click on create audience. Let's say we want to target Lagos State. So I'm doing CSC registration. I'll just give them name, CSC registration customers, for instance. So customers. Then I will set their age, 18 years old. They are still a student. They may not be doing business. I can put it from like 25 or 26 to like 50 years old. So I'm going to target all male. Then location is very important. You click on location and set their location. They are targeting Lagos. I'll put on Ikeja. I will target Ojodu Beggar. Jodu will just be setting one after the other. Then you target them Lekki, Lagos. So you'll be setting them like that. You'll be setting them. The moment you are done, you just click on save. Then you set the interest. The interest of people you need are people that are doing business. So mobile phone accessory, yes. If you want to register a business, you can click on it. You can be selecting this one. If you know that these are people that will be interested in they may want to register their business. So you'll be setting them. You can see people that are selling phone, people that are doing fashion design. They may want to register their business. So you are going to select it, fashion accessory. You can see all the suggestions that Facebook is bringing. Then you can search more. Let me search for real estate. They want to register their business. You can see it now. Transportation. So transportation people, they want to register their business. So you can see them now. Photography. So you are going to set all these categories we are going to select them and set them for the audience and the interest. So under the audience section, 3 things that is very important is the age that you want to target, then the location and the interest and the gender. These are the 4 things you must take note. So once you are done, you save it. Now we have saved it. So this is our audience. Now you can see their name here. So we have saved it. The next thing that is very important is your budget. Now let's say I want to run this advert for 7 days. Facebook is telling me I should pay 27,000, which is too much for me. I don't have money. I'm going to reduce it to like let me put it like 2,000. I want to run for 7 days. Let me put it for 7 days. I'll just set my budget now. I'll set my budget to like maybe 15,000. This is the amount I want to pay. So I'll put how many days? 7 days. So just set. Let me show 7 days. So let's say I want to run it for 10 days. So what you need to do now is to add money. You add money to your wallet so that you can start running the advert. You add money. I already have 12,000 here. If I want to run this advert, I'll just click on boost. But if you don't have money in your wallet, just click on this arrow and add payment. And when you are adding payment, you must notice one thing. You know the amount that they are showing here, the total amount that they are showing, that is what you are going to add. The money here is 15,000. So I'm going to add only 15,000 to my wallet. Don't mind this one. I'm going to add 15,000 to my wallet. That is my budget for this advert, not really 50,000. That is my budget for this advert, and that is what I'm going to add. So you add 15,000 to your wallet. Once you are done, you just click here to add it. You are going to select payment. Don't select the debit or credit card. That one is for dollar card. Nigeria card will not work for that. So you just click on next and put your payment and come back to display. Then you click on boost. So this is how you can boost advert on your phone. If you are having any challenge, if you have any question, drop in the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. You can follow us on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook. You see it on the profile description of this YouTube channel. If you like this video, comment on it and share to your loved one. If you do so, you are helping this video to go viral to people that may be interested in this video. Alright, thank you.